Pro Hashing Mining Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most people think cryptocurrency mining is a gamble, but Pro Hashing offers multi-coin mining with automatic payouts in your preferred cryptocurrency. Pro Hashing is a mining pool aggregator that allows miners to mine multiple coins while receiving payouts in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported coins. One standout feature is automatic coin conversion, which helps miners maximize profits without manually trading. Most people get this wrong. They assume mining one coin is the most profitable. The surprising truth is that Pro Hashing continuously calculates expected profits across supported coins, optimizing hash power and payouts in real time. Another advantage is transparency. Users can view detailed stats, track performance, and adjust mining strategies. Pro Hashing also supports both personal rigs and cloud miners, offering flexibility for different users. However, there are considerations. Mining profitability depends on hardware efficiency, electricity costs, and network difficulty. Beginners may find the interface technical, and fees vary depending on the chosen payout method. In conclusion, Pro Hashing mining is ideal for miners seeking optimized multi-coin mining with flexible payout options. It's particularly useful for those who want consistent returns without manual coin management. Subscribe for more honest cryptocurrency mining reviews before choosing your next pool.